Hi everyone, welcome back to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Today we are going to continue with vectors. We started that day. So let us straight away go to another CET problem, another PYQ for vectors. Okay, it is based on scalar triple product which we saw the other day. Box product जिसको बोलते हैं. So let us see the problem. If A bar, B bar, C bar are three unit coplanar vectors, then find the value of this box product. It is called as box product. So find the value of this box product, that is the question asked. Okay. Now hint is, meaning of this box product is, I'll show you the meaning here. जब भी हम लोग ए बार बी बार सी बार एक बॉक्स में लिखते हैं तो उसका मीनिंग है ए डॉट बी क्रॉस सी. फर्स्ट वेक्टर बाहर निकालो डॉट बी क्रॉस सी. यहां पे देखो, अगर बॉक्स निकाल दिया ए डॉट बी क्रॉस सी, फॉलोड. इन द सेम वे, this is like A bar, this is B bar and C bar inside the box. So if you apply the definition, क्या होता है? First vector dot B cross C, second vector cross third vector. That is the basic definition of box product which I have written over here. Followed? अभी उस दिन एक similar problem लिया था जहाँ पे expand किया था. Now, how do you expand this? It's quite interesting. How do you expand this? First, open up the brackets using box product. Okay? So let us go straight away to it. बाहर का ऐसा लिख लो. Start with 2b bar. अभी देखो, 2b bar cross 2c bar. 2 into 2 scalar multiplication allowed. 2 into 2 4 B cross C. Okay, 4 B cross C. Then 2B into minus A, minus 2 B cross A. Why minus? Sorry, is here. This plus into minus. Okay, 2 B bar का काम खत्म हो गया. It is just like simple algebra when you open up the brackets. Minus C cross 2C means what? Scalar always right in front. C cross C. Okay. You might think यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट ले लो, कुछ मत करो, जस्ट कीप द नंबर सिंपल. ओके, सी क्रॉस सी, 2 को सामने लिख लो. देन माइनस सी इंटू माइनस ए प्लस सी क्रॉस ए. क्लियर? Now that day we saw self cross product is 0. Value of self cross product. Now what is self cross product? C cross C, B cross B, A cross A. Value of that self cross product is 0. Okay. So this becomes 0 directly. C cross C becomes 0. I'll rub this out because I'll need another space. Okay, some more space for this. So C cross C becomes 0. So C cross A ko I'll just shift it over here. Try this problem without looking later on after observing the complete video. Okay? Now since CET problem मैं भी shortcut use कर रहा हूँ, rub कर रहा हूँ direct. Okay, so अंदर का सब खत्म हो गया अभी. Cross product is over. Now our rule is open up the brackets using dot product. Means what? 2a डॉट 4b क्रॉस c। अभी इसको एक शॉर्टकट मैंने बोला था फॉर सीईटी। ओके, व्हेन यू गेट अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डॉट एंड क्रॉस, देखो यहाँ पे डॉट है और यहाँ पे क्रॉस है, तो क्या करना है, वी कम बैक टू द ओरिजिनल डेफिनेशन। अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डॉट एंड क्रॉस is nothing but box. Combination of dot and cross is box. So let us straight away write in terms of box product now. See what you get. 2 into 4, first numbers, integration, derivatives, constant सब बाहर आता है। 2 into 4, 8. A dot B cross C means combination of dot and cross means box. Direct shortcut. 8 box के बाहर, constant बाहर. Constants are not allowed in integration, in box product, बाहर लिखो। 2a का काम खत्म नहीं हो गया। 2 into 2, 4, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, वापस देखो 2 into 2, 4, प्लस, जैसे इसके सामने प्लस है, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस। बॉक्स के अंदर क्या लिखोगे, ए बार बी बार ए बार। टू ए का काम खत्म नहीं हो गया। 2a बार प्लस c बार, प्लस इंटू प्लस इज प्लस, सो 2 उधर 2 ही है सिर्फ। a बार c बार a बार। ओके, अभी 2a का काम खत्म हो गया। नाउ गो टू माइनस b बार। माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस, 4 कांस्टेंट बाहर। बॉक्स के अंदर क्या लिखोगे, बी बार सी बार। कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डॉट एंड क्रॉस इज बॉक्स, बी बार सी बार। माइनस बी इंटू माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, यहां पे लिख रहा हूं मैं। माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस, 2 जो है यहां पे तो 1 ही है, 2 बाहर लिखो, बी बार ए बार। बी बार का काम खत्म नहीं हो गया। माइनस बी बार इंटू प्लस सी बार, माइनस इंटू प्लस इज माइनस। Now when you write in terms of box, do you remember क्या करना है, याद करो। Why did we write in terms of box? सोचो, याद आया? When any vector is repeated in box, the value becomes 0. It becomes much more simpler for us to solve. A बार 2 बार आ गया है, this becomes 0. 4 into 0 is 0. A बार 2 बार आ गया है, 0. B bar is repeated, 0. It gets converted into 0. B bar खत्म, बात खत्म। So what remains? यहां पे लिखो 8 ABC minus BCA। अभी उस दिन क्या बोला था मैंने, this is not getting 0 because no vector is repeated. Same thing over here. So I had told you one important thing. Vectors need to be adjusted inside this box so that this gets converted into A bar, B bar, C bar. Calculation के लिए simple है ना? So naturally I want to convert this box into this box, A bar, B bar, C bar. How do I convert? First, I want to get A bar here. So naturally, if I get A bar here, B bar has to go over there. You are allowed to interchange only two vectors. यहाँ पे A bar चाहिए, so सामने लेता हूँ, तो B bar वहाँ पे जाना ही चाहिए. Now, when any two vectors are interchanged inside the box, value of the box product changes. Value, sorry, not value, sign of the box product changes. So minus becomes plus. बी केयरफुल. डायरेक्ट एबीसी मत लिखो, देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है पहले. सो पहले क्या हो रहा है, ए बार यहाँ पे आ रहा है, बी बार वहां पे चला गया, सी बार फॉलोड. अगेन माय मेन एम इज to convert this box into ABC. So naturally I want to get B here. I am interchanging any two elements, any two vectors. So C gets over there, not rows, any two vectors. So यहाँ पे B bar ला. Same rule. When any two vectors are interchanged, sign in front changes. Now that day I told you, it is like simple algebra. 8 ABC minus 1 ABC, इसके सामने कुछ नहीं है ना. So 8 ABC minus 1 ABC is 7 ABC. Finally, I am writing the step, you tell me the reason. Answer is 0. Why? Think over. For box product ABC यहाँ पे 0 क्यों लिखा है? Think over. याद आया? Remember, when any three vectors are coplanar, their box product becomes 0. और हमको क्या दिया है? 3 unit coplanar vectors. Forget about unit. I just mentioned in order to confuse. Forget about unit, उसका कुछ यूज नहीं है. कोप्लेनर है ना वेक्टर्स. So when vectors are coplanar, their box product is 0. बाहर 10 है, 20 है, 7 है, doesn't matter. 7 into 0 is 0. So value of this entire thing becomes 0 because finally we get 7 box product ABC. And because A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar, unit vectors है, नहीं है, क्या करना है? They are coplanar. So this box product becomes 0. So 7 into 0 is the final answer given. Try to solve it. Interesting one. Okay. I told you the method. Try करो. Okay. लिख लो सब. We'll go to the second problem now. Okay. लिख लिया सब. Let us go to the second one. Second problem. See. This is again a problem of box product, but given in a slightly different way. 3 vectors are given. AI plus AJ plus CK. I plus K. CI plus CJ plus BK. These are coplanar vectors. Then C is, that is this value. C is, AM means arithmetic mean of A and B. HM means harmonic mean of A and B. Sum of A and B means A plus B. GM means geometric mean of A and B. So these are the various things. Okay. So first we will see and check and what answer we are getting. Which that particular answer should fit into any one of this. Okay. Now we are not writing the vectors in terms of boxes. Okay. 3 vectors are given to us. 3 vectors. First vector, second vector, third vector. So when the vectors are coplanar, we have seen their box product is 0. Okay. Their box product is 0 means if you call this vector as P bar, this as Q bar, this as R bar. We have seen in the earlier sum their box product is 0. मैंने P bar, Q bar, R bar क्यों लिया? Because in the earlier A, B, C are already there. इसलिए A bar, B bar, C bar लिया नहीं है. Okay. Now important definition of box product or scalar triple product. When the box, important property also, when the box product of these three vectors is 0, the three vectors are coplanar. So अभी यहाँ पे हमको दिया है that these three vectors are coplanar. So because these three vectors are coplanar, their box product is 0. And don't forget, definition of box product is value of this determinant. How do you form the determinant? Just take the coefficients. So first row में क्या है? A, C. Whatever coefficients are given. Second row में this vector. Coefficient of I bar is 1. There is no J here. It is 0 J bar. So 0 and 1 K bar. Coefficient of third vectors C, C, B. सब डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 है बिकॉज द वेक्टर्स गिवन आर कोप्लेनर वेक्टर्स. तो देखेंगे अभी. लेट अस सॉल्व द डिटर्मिनेंट. ओके, सो हाउ डू आई सॉल्व दिस? फर्स्ट नंबर इनटू CET शॉर्टकट. 0 इंटू बी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 0 इंटू बी इज 0 माइनस C into 1 is C. So what do I get? A into 0 minus C. Change the sign of the second element. If it is plus, it is minus. Basic expansion of determinant. अभी ये भैया box product नहीं है. It is just square brackets. Just algebraic brackets. Minus A into, close the row and column. Orally, 1 into B is B, minus C into 1 is C. Don't change the sign of this. Close the row and column. Cross multiply. 1 into C is C. 1 into C is C. Minus C into 0 is 0, equal to 0 is given to us because the vectors are coplanar. Simple. 0 minus C. 0 minus C is minus C. Brackets open करो. Minus A into B. Minus of minus plus AC. C into C is C squared. C into 0 is 0. Minus into minus is plus. A into minus C minus AC minus AB minus AC plus AC gets cancelled. So what do I get? C squared equal to AB. Now C squared equal to AB means, according to definition, C is the geometric mean, GM, of A and B. अभी इसका मीनिंग 11th स्टैंडर्ड के डेफिनेशन पे है. आई जस्ट डिस्कस दैट. C is the geometric mean between A and B means what? The numbers A, C, B form a GP, geometric progression. अभी geometric progression का मीनिंग क्या है? अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन नहीं. geometric progression means C upon A, ratio C upon A is equal to B upon C. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. C into C, C squared equal to AB. That is what you get. C is called as the geometric mean if you get C squared is equal to AB. Okay. Now supposing if I take the numbers, if you get the answer as y squared equal to xz, then y is called as the geometric mean between x and z, meaning x, y, z are in GP. Geometric progression मिलता है इसलिए geometric mean बोलते हैं. So our option is the GM, geometric mean of A and B. अभी बोलो सपोजिंग आंसर ऐसा आ गया, A squared equal to BC. A is called as the geometric mean between B and C. Means between B and C means B and C के बीच A आ जाएगा. The numbers B, A, C form a GP, geometric progression. That is the meaning of geometric mean. Followed? Hope you enjoyed both the problems for today. कल वापस कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Bye. See you. Okay.